Vanakkam. We'll move on to the next item in the mutual fund cadre and concepts. Distributors. I think by the name itself we can understand who are they. Distributors are the personnel who are going to be distribute the any products to the customers from manufacturer. The same way here is also distributors. Here they are going to distribute not a physical product, they are going to distribute the financial product. Why the distributors is must in mutual fund industry as well as in the equities. Investor need not to be a professional one, and all the investors are not a professional investors. Most of the or majority of the investors are fixed income earning persons, which means they have the regular business other than this investment. Some of them they have the profession itself is the investment. That means called investment activity. They are called the professional investor. So the professional investor does not require any such kind of the introduction or any guidance to make the investment in the meaning of selection of right type of financial asset for their investment goal. Whereas majority of the people are not having any kind of the theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge about to understand all those things. And moreover, the schemes are coming in the different aspect and the different objects. And mutual funds are always, whenever you are going to buy the mutual fund, there will be a statement says about that one. Mutual funds are always facing the risk. It's not a riskless assets. And understand about the mutual fund mean, please read the description of the mutual fund agreement. So it all make that confused in the mind of the investor to select the right asset for the meeting of our own investment objective. To avoid all such confusions of this investment decision making, these distributors are playing a predominant role to help the investor by means of assisting them to select the right type of assets which will be readily suitable for the investment objective of the individuals. So distributors are the inevitable. Distributors are important in the mutual fund industry to introduce the various types of schemes and various types of companies to investors. What is the thing that means? The next question is asking, is anybody can become the distributors? But one thing we have to hear, whoever the person they are dealing performance in the equity market, they also can perform permitted to perform in the mutual fund industries also. So when you are dealing with the equity securities mean as a broker or sub broker or whomever it is, then you are also permitted to do the mutual fund industries. But the basic requirement of becoming the distributors of the mutual fund industry is you have to get a certification from the NISM, National Institute of Securities Market. They have the two exams are there. One is the mutual fund foundation exam, another one is the mutual fund distribution exam. That is 2 levels are there. So once you are passing this examination and you will be registered in the AMFI, Association of Mutual Federation of India, then you are named as or you are approved as and you are permitted to us to deal the deal. That means you are the licensed holder of distributor of the mutual fund schemes. In this slide, we have discussed about the meaning of distributors and what is the requirement of becoming the distributor of the mutual fund products. Nandri.